It's number 814. So when you come in, you stick your key there. You've got a mini fridge here, like that. Got a safe. Says it's unable to use. Some hanging space, slippers, some mist here. And you've got, when you come in, you've got some slippers here, and that's for public bath use. And then you have bedroom slippers. When you come in as well, you've got a full-length mirror and some more hanging space here. So this is the room from the bedroom, the view from the bedroom, sorry. So it looks like that. And here's some information about breakfast, free cafe drinks and a free welcome drink every day. Then we've got a seating area, TV here, and some cupboards with a kettle, coffee, some teas, some information about the laundry. Here for public bath use, the towels and everything you use there. We've got a telephone, seating area, this air purifier, and that's the view from this side of the room. I'll just open this up. This is a room with a balcony. So that's what it looks like. Really lovely view from here. Then if I open it. Oh yeah, you can. Oh, it's quite windy. You got your own seating area. Do not drop anything. That's the view. So that's the view of our room. And it's really private as well. You can kind of see someone on your balcony, on your neighbour's balcony, but that's what it looks like. Close that up. So the last thing is the bathroom. So open it up. Got a huge mirror there. Look at that. Got toilet roll. You've got the same like electric toilet flush function. Giving you hairbrush, toothbrush, shaver, body towel, a hairdryer, some cups, some hand wash, and some almond shower gel, lavender conditioner, lavender shampoo. Then you've got a shower curtain like that, so you don't splash the floor. That's what it looks like. And then the towels are here. And so that is a room at Sakura Terrace. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.